This is Divyasri from Tribute Department, second BTech first semester. This is my CI2 assignment. My topic is effects of lead contamination on public health in Flint. And my subject name is Environmental Science. Introduction to lead contamination in water in toxicity. First of all, what is the impact of lead contamination and how the lead contamination will occur? The lead contamination is a water is a toxic of lead that are relevant to estimation of a public health protective lead in drinking water. 33% of over 370 samples of water from top 26 cities in India tested positive for harmful content of lead. As per various surveys and investigations conducted by organizations such as the Quality Council of India, the presence of lead in water has alarmed people and agencies across the country. The overall 33% The overall 33% of over 370 samples of waters are tested the harm for laboratory. They are harmful for content of lead in the water. As per various investigations and surveys also tested as conducted by organizations, Quality Council of India, alarmed as a people and agencies across the country, the alarm is cultivated, contaminated in water. Lead contamination in water. First of all, how the lead contamination occurs. The lead dissolves in water from natural resources such as rocks and soil. In rocks and soil, also the lead is contaminated, so it is unlikely present in raw water. From household appliances, also by plumbing systems, from pipes, solder fittings, and etc. The household plumbing systems also in which types the pipes, solders, fittings or services connections to homes and home contains lead. Lead connection, the lead can be released from the flaking lead carbonate dissolvoids of lead pipe, iron sediment from old ground public connection even when the water is no large plumb solvent. The lead is contaminated by rock and soil in raw water only. In homes like pipes, solder fittings also, and it can be reached by lead carbonate deposits or lead pipes. Sources of food. In food also the lead is contaminated. A small number of cosmetics products have been found at a significant amount of lead. In cosmetic products also the lead is contaminated. The so much of lead is present in cosmetics also. The food also contain the small amount of lead. In food also the lead is contaminated. Then food is a major source of export to lead for majority of the population in Europe. Mainly in Europe, the lead is contaminated in food. Majority population in Europe. Lead content can be increased when the water used for cooking or cooking utensils contain lead, or when the food is especially acidic, has been stored in lead ceramic pottery, where or lead soldiers camps. The lead content is must be increased in cooking and cooking utensils contain lead when the food is especially if food is acidic the lead is present. Various sources of lead in environment. Lead based paint, urban waste, sewage, metal painting, old toys and furniture. In old toys and furniture also the lead is present because the lead is a chemical that is very toxic. Lead smelters, automobile exhaust, battery industries, fertilizer and pesticides. Number of cases elevated by blood lead levels greater than 10 among greater than 5 years children by month. This is the representation in month. In August, so many members are affected by the lead contamination in water by drinking the lead contamination in water, and they are evaluated blood levels are greater than 10 in August only. The more number of people are there because of the due to due to drinking of lead contamination in water. In their blood only the lead is present due to the drinking of raw water only. In August only the more number of peoples or no more number of children are present. How to overcome the lead in water? First, wash your children's hands often with soap and water because they played in surroundings or they played in some sand or they played with rocks. So that's why they used to wash the hands with soap. Make sure that their hands are clean before metals, snacks, nap, and bedtime. Trim your children's fingernails regularly. Means that cut your fingernails regularly. Wash your children's toys bottles often with soap and water. Because household dust is a major source of lead in older houses. Parents should wet mop and floors, wet wipe horizontal surfaces. They have to clean every 2 to 3 weeks. They have to mop the floors and they have to clean everything. And lead mainly contain high levels. Window sills and rods may contain high level of lead dust and should keep clean everywhere. By this, we can overcome or to control the lead in water. Thank you.